Welcome to the Automation Stars of Texas.
Go in here and we're going to create a new program today. So I'll go in. I'm going to try to follow along here so I don't get too ahead or too far behind, but I'm just going to call this program test. So just creating it here on the tablet.
Here we have our sensor box on display. We use this to monitor machines at factories. We'll hook up different types of sensors to the machine, like this current transducer, and we'll pull information about how much current the machine is using. And from that, we can get information on utilization, power consumption. We also have robot simulations that we do for companies that are interested in implementing cobot.
In my own business, we did this much money last year, and I could make this much more this year, but I want to have more travel time with my wife. And I want to spend more time doing the things outside of work that I enjoy. So I've decided to establish the growth plans a little bit less, so I can.
You can actually now assign a camera to do the task of like counting, watching, quantifying what's happening, and you don't have to have a human being doing that anymore. So now you're getting accurate, real-time data.
MER Electronic is a German and US-based connectivity solutions provider. We strive to reduce the complexity of your wiring layouts to yield better performance, overall equipment effectiveness, reduce downtime, enhance diagnostics, and of course, saving money. That's through our cable manufacturing, which 95% of the North American market is manufactured and delivered from Suwanee, Georgia. Our IP67 I/O solutions, IP67 power solutions, IP67 network solutions, and our brand new IP67 SIP Safe safety solution, with allowing you to use safety on a PLE level, IO link, and digital IO all in one.